Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. It comes to the shop with leak from the back, and it was like when I tested I found out also the machine needs a tune-up, and I replaced all the O-rings. This is some of them, the O-rings on the boiler and on the solenoid valve assembly, and the air valve, all the O-rings in the back I replaced them, and I replaced also the group head gasket and the shower screen. I give the machine two cleaning cycles, and descaling and deep cleaning also for the steam wand. I clean and calibrate also the grinder, and I notice it's weak a little bit while I'm like calibrating it, but it's still working and giving perfect grinding. And I also give the water filter deep cleaning, especially the customer like using the pressurized basket, which was like almost clogged. Let me see with this pressurized basket what I'm gonna get. Fine, little bit, actually medium, not fine or coarse ground. Okay. There's the pressure going. This much. This is great shot from this machine. Look at that thick crema. There's a coffee, and it's tasty too. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect, and the steamer needs a bit until it gets hot. Yep, the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.